Good morning, everyone. This is my report, the structure of academic text. So, academic texts are clearly recognizable due to distinct organization and precise structure, which both made it easier for you as the writer to identify your thoughts and for the reader to understand what you've written. So, the acronyms for the introduction techniques and material results and discussion, IMRD is used for more text. Completing the structure are the goal and the research questions, which are often located after the introduction along with a conclusion and references. Bigger 2017, the structure of the academic text. So number 1 is aims. This is the text overarching goals and it's follow the introductions. Example, to investigate how effective nurturing intervention are for smoking cessations. So the main goal of the text, it indicates that the text will focus on examining the effectiveness of nurturing intervention and helping people quit smoking, which is, this aim suggests that the text will likely present research findings, methodologies, and possibly recommendations related to nurturing practices aims at supporting smoking cessation efforts. Here's another examples. To analyze the impact of social media on mental health among teenagers. So, these statements indicates that the text's primary goals is to examine how social media affects the mental well-being of teenagers. Number 2. Ask yourself research questions. The question that follows the purpose served to clarify or limit it. For example, what nurturing intervention exists? And how many patients are still smoke-free after 1 year? Are example of questions that address the specified aims. So this example is directly related to these aims by focusing on able intervention in their long-term effectiveness. When conducting research, it is essential to ask specified questions that help clarify or narrow down the purpose of the study. Examples: if the aim is to investigate strategies for smoking cessation in a clinical settings, research question might include: what are the most effective nurturing intervention for smoking cessations? How do various smoking cessations program compare in terms of long-term success rates? What are the barriers to success smoking cessation among patients? This question directly addresses the specified aims of examining nurturing intervention and their effectiveness in helping patients quit smoking. They provide clear direction for the research and help focus study on the related topics. Number 3, Introduction. The introduction should emphasize the aims important by noting an aspect that remain unknown. It should also highlight the benefit that could result from uncovering this new knowledge. These benefits might include improving patient care, developing innovative drug or treatment methods, addressing shortcomings in existing approach, or identify the need for alternative methods. Emphasizing the importance. Start by point out that there are critical aspects that we still don't fully understand or known about. This set up the significance of the aim. Highlighting benefits. Mention the potential positive outcomes that could result from uncovering this new knowledge. A. Improving patient care by providing better understanding or treatment option. B. Developing innovative drug or treatment method that could lead to significant advancement healthcare. C. Addressing shortcoming in current approach, potentially leading to more effective solution. D. Identifying the need for alternative methods which could lead to improved outcome or efficiency. So, by emphasizing the importance and potential benefits, the introduction sets the stage for why the aims of the research is significant and worth pursuing. Number 4. Methods and materials. The text provides detailed descriptions of the research procedures, including the study design, which can be easily understood by the reader, and the material used, such as literature review or semi-structured interview to aid in the research. Methods and materials. In a research context refers to the procedure and resources used to conduct a study. Research procedures. The section outline how the study was conducted, including the study design. Study design refers to overall plan or strategy used to answer the research question or hypothesis. Examples. It could be a randomized controlled trial, case study, survey, or observation study. Material use. This part describes the resources or tools employed in the research process. This might include literature review, which summarize existing research on the topics, or semi-structured interviews, where the researcher asks open-ended questions to gather qualitative data from participants. These sections provide a roadmap for reader to understand how the research was carried out and what tools or methods were utilized to collect and analyze data.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, classmates. My report is the continuation of Shaina Rebillame report. This is the another 4 parts of structure of academic text. The 5th part is the result. The result is the study present results objectively without interpretation using text coherence and properly labeled tables to make easier to understand without accompanying text. Second, the discussion. Discussion, it is the most difficult part because you need to analyze the result and interpret them at the same time. There have 2 parts of discussion. First paragraph and the second of the discussion is the rest of the discussion analyze and interpret the results. The first paragraph, repeat the aim and give the importance of the study to the field. For instance, you can say, this is the first study to examine the correlation between. And the second part is the rest of the discussion analysis and interpret can help you. What do your result mean? How many your method have affected your result? How do you relate to previous research? What are the strengths and weaknesses of the study? How are your results important to the future development? What kind of research is needed in the field in the future and why? The next is the conclusion. Conclusion makes a general statement about your sim and your results, focus on the implication of your results, and mention the need for further research. And the last is reference. Reference indicates all cited source of data and use the American Psychological Association or APA style of documents. That's all and thank you. Any questions?